Need to access your data on the go? Whether your PC or notebook is broken, lost, or stolen, Ahsay has you covered. Ahsay offers the simplest and most convenient way to restore your files anytime, anywhere. All you need is a web browser and an internet connection. With Ahsay Online Backup Restore for Windows, a powerful runtime application with a small footprint that delivers the same full-featured restore functionality as AhsayOBM or AhsayACB. Choose between the normal restoration process or the innovative Open Direct Restore Mode. Open Direct Restore Mode lets you access and open your documents, photos, videos, or audio files without needing to restore them first. This feature is incredibly convenient, allowing you to check or recover individual files via the Window File Explorer with a simple drag and drop or copy and paste. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Don't miss out on this user-friendly and extremely handy tool, perfect for overcoming any situational setbacks. To learn how to recover your files using AhsayOBR on Windows, let's go to my screen and get started. To start with, open a browser and go to your AhsayCBS Web Management Console. Go to the Download page, then click the Restore tab. In the Windows section, there are two types of installation. One is the EXE Online Installer, and two is the Zip Offline Installer. We'll show you how to work through both installation modes. Starting with the EXE Online Installer. Click on it, and it will automatically download the OBR Online Installer for Windows. To proceed, launch the EXE Online Installer that you have just downloaded. The installation process will automatically proceed. Wait until the installation is done. This could take a few minutes depending on your internet connection speed. After a successful installation, AhsayOBR will launch automatically. Now that you've learned how to install AhsayOBR using the EXE Online Installer, let's proceed with the Offline Installer. Go back to the Download page of your AhsayCBS Web Management Console and click on the Zip Offline Installer to download. Show in Folder the AhsayOBR Offline Installation Package. Right-click on the zip file of the offline installation package, then click Extract All. Select the folder to store the extracted files. Then, extract. Open the folder, then click on obrwin.exe to launch the installer. Wait for a while for the installation to complete. After a successful installation, AhsayOBR will automatically launch. You will see a similar login screen as AhsayOBM. Click Show Advanced option first to configure the network settings if required. Enable proxy if needed, then fill in the required information. Click OK, then log in using your credentials. After a successful login, you will be immediately redirected to the Restore Configuration page where you can already select which backup set to restore. Take note, clicking Cancel or closing AhsayOBR will shut down the software completely. If you wish to use AhsayOBR again after the software closed, you will have to go back to the installation process to launch it again. Follow the recommended steps when restoring files. For a more in-depth discussion on how to restore data using AhsayOBM, check out the Ahsay video, Tips on Recovering Files using AhsayOBM, or check the link in the description below. Select the backup set. Then select a destination where to restore your data from. We'll select AhsayCBS, as we currently don't have any access to the destination Local 1, which is on our original machine. Moving on, we can see that there are two restore modes. One is the normal restore, which follows the standard restoration process. And two, Open Direct. Open Direct enables direct access to your backup data without the need to restore. It achieves this by mounting the backup data on AhsayCBS as a virtual drive on your Windows machine, offering a simple and convenient method for restoring a small number of files. You can easily drag and drop or copy and paste files or folders directly from the virtual drive using the Windows File Explorer to your local hard disk. Let us take a rundown of both restore modes by starting with the normal restore. Proceed by checking the temporary directory and configure if needed. Then, click Next. Before you can proceed, you have to enter the encryption key of the selected backup set. Take note, if you have lost or forgot your encryption key, you will not be able to recover your data. Now we're on the Restore page. For this, we'll keep the default selection, Choose from Files as of Job. You may select a particular version by clicking the drop-down menus next to it. There are features that may help you speed up the file selection process, such as the Show File feature and Search feature. You may want to utilize the Show Filter feature if you'd like to speed up the file selection, considering that you know which particular folder the files are located in, but the folder contains a large number of files. Aside from Filter, you can also utilize Search, which can be found at the bottom left part of the page. The Search feature is a bit similar to Filter, but Search has a broader scope, allowing the customer to apply filter to all the folders including subfolders and/or files. For this Restore job, I'll select the folders Important Documents and Important Files. Click Next. Choose where to store the files to. As the current machine doesn't have the same directory path as the original location, we'll select Alternate Location. Click Browse. For this, we have already prepared a directory path. Select the directory path, then OK. Click Show Advanced option. Keep the settings on default and click Restore to continue. After a successful restore, you will see here that a number of files have been successfully restored. To check the restored files, just go to the selected directory path earlier. Open the subfolders until you reach the folder you have selected. Let's proceed with the Open Direct Restore mode. Go back to AhsayOBR and click Close. Click Previews. Choose the Open Direct Restore mode. Then select which backup job to restore. For this, we'll keep the default selection, which is the latest version. Click Next. You will be prompted with a message saying, Virtual File System Driver is not installed. Click Install to proceed. Otherwise, without the Virtual File System Driver, Open Direct Restore will not work. Choose the drive letter. Click OK. Click Browse. You will be redirected to the virtual drive on Windows File Explorer. Open the E folder and you'll see all the folders from your selected backup set. Open a particular folder and you'll see all the files within this folder. As mentioned earlier, with Open Direct, you'll be able to directly open a file without having to restore it, just like this one. Moreover, you may easily check the individual files and just simply drag and drop or copy and paste to restore the files you intend to recover. And that is how to recover your files using AhsayOBR on Windows. Quick and easy. With just a web browser and an internet connection, you can already simply drag and drop or copy and paste individual files to check them or verify which ones to restore. Achieve your ultimate goal of complete data protection. Secure, reliable, affordable. Ahsay. Keep your data safe with us.